Big bass, big bass. Oh, there you go, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good size, baby. Whoa. Yes. That's how you do it.
That is decent size.
That's how you do it.
They're back there.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I want to touch it.
Want to touch it?
I want to take
Take a picture, mommy.
Now, what pounder is it?
This is 1.5.
1.5?
Yeah. Mommy, turn around. You want to touch it? Yeah, go ahead. Mommy, turn around. Here, turn around. Take a picture of mommy. I'm going to release it. It's not big enough, so I'm not going to measure it or weigh it. Well, I guess we should try it since we have it.
Wait, Daddy, you gonna weigh it.
I don't have a digital scale, so.
Look at that. Look how iPhone quality is. Look.
Hey, Kevin, bring it here. Wow. Let's see.
I want
It's
to
almost
put it
as
in the
big
water.
as Kaylee.
I want to put it in the water. I'll touch it.
2-pounder. Take a picture, right? Go. Ooh, there you go. Ooh. Ah. Yes, thank you. I saw him coming too.
Oh, it's almost here.
That's smaller.
Wow.
Okay, release it.
I'll touch it.
Ooh, there you go, baby. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go. Ah, snap. Yeah. Yes, baby.
Yes, baby.
Woo. Oh, you gotta let him go.
Oh my god.
What the? Here, hold it.
You have the law.
Daddy.
That's not 3.
That's 2. Oh, yo, Calvin, go. Gotta let him go. It's a 2-pounder. Let him go.
Scared. No more holding for you.
Woo! Watch. Twitch it, twitch it. Fish on, baby! Yes! Ah, cái chị hook set hook à.
How did I not set hook?
Cái lồng nó hay, cái tay bông của đồ cảnh do. He's gone. It's okay. We'll try again.
It's probably a small one.
Oh, there you go, baby. There you go. Yeah. Told ya. I got this a lot.
Yeah.
Saw him.
Can you touch him? I'll touch him again.
Yeah, you can touch him.
I'll touch him too. Can you touch him too?
Yeah.
Stuck. Hi. I'll touch him too. Hi.
Touch it?
I'll touch the whole thing.
Yeah.
This is a good day.
It's a good day.
Daddy will do more research and tomorrow we'll go to work.
Fishing today.
Yeah.
Gotta walk to the car,
We got a lot of bass.
pick up mommy and Kelly.
Yeah.
Got a lot of bass, huh?
Yeah.
So thank you for watching.